completely forgot to record the beginning part of this when I was pouring the bubbles and then pouring this part, but I'm doing a goat's milk glycerin soap. This is clean cotton, and I do kind of a swirl. I change it up every time I make it, but I wanted to do some different swirls of blue, and melt and pour soap is very difficult to swirl. So hopefully I'll get some different colors of swirls in there. I've got the lighter blue and then the dark blue. And I have my bubbles here that I poured earlier, and I'm using clean cotton from Essential Depot. It is a very strong fragrance, so I use about 75% of what I would normally use in melt and pour or cold process, because this I do like this in cold process as well. So the blues I'm using, I have a Stormy Blue Mica from Brambleberry. This does not do well in cold process, so I save it for my melt and pour, and then it also can be used for bath bombs. I have some of the Brandiest Blue, if I'm saying that right, from Nurture Soap, and then I have Boombox Blue that I'm using. So I've got the 3 different colors of blue. I also have some Eco Glitter that I'm going to be using for the clear part. So once this is set up, see, it's still a little bit wobbly. So once it is set up a little bit more, I'm going to melt down. I scraped my bowl earlier. I'm going to melt that down, pour a little bit on there, put the embeds on, and then I'll melt down my clear and mix in some of that Eco Glitter to put a clear coating on the top.